Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your lineup on NBA Live game. So let's get started. First, open the NBA Live game on your device. Tap on the My Team option from the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, tap on the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear or cogwheel icon. A message will pop up informing that your lineup is locked. To unlock your lineup, simply tap on the Unlock Lineup option. Now, you can change and modify your lineup as you prefer. Adjust your team to create the best possible lineup for your game strategy. And this is how you can unlock lineup on NBA Live game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.